to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we are drawing a cute lion. Did you know an adult lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away? Let's give our lion a little nose, like a triangle. Lions use their noses to sniff other lions and even say hello. Here comes the most fun part, the big fluffy mane. Those cute round ears help lions hear everything in the jungle. Lions can hear prey from a mile away. Did you know a lion's face is like a sun with a mane around it? That's why they're called the king of the jungle. They shine bright. Let's give our lion a strong body so he can run super fast. Lions can run up to 50 miles per hour, but only for short bursts. Zoom like a lion. Lions are super social. They live in groups called prides. That's like having your own lion team or family. Only boy lions have manies, and the bigger the mane, the more powerful they look. It's like their superhero cape. Now let's make our lion come alive with color. Did you know every lion's mane is a little different? Some are darker, some lighter, just like our hair. Remember, even though lions are strong and fierce, they love naps. They sleep for up to 20 hours a day. Lazy lions, huh? Like and subscribe for more. Bye!